Okay, this is a great product by Metagenics. This is called SPMs. Oh, that's what we call it, but it's a specialized pro-resolving mediator. That's what Metagenics calls it. It's designed for chronic joint inflammation. That's where I see the biggest effects of it. And it doesn't matter where the joint pain is on your body, an SPM can be extremely powerful. I frankly have never seen anything like it. It is very effective, and the price tag is a little higher, but if you do it right and join it with lifestyle, you can drastically bring down your joint pain. It's a hard product to even keep on the shelves in my office, so I have to buy a lot of it. But you can order it directly through the link that's provided. But what an SPM really is, it's taking the anti-inflammatory component out of a fish oil. Fish oil is highly anti-inflammatory, cutting down joint pain and any inflammation in the body. And what it does is take all these anti-inflammatory pieces of a fish oil and compress them, concentrate them in this capsule. So the dose it takes a while for it to have its effect. I see anywhere between 7 days to 14 days. So don't take it today and expect resolution tomorrow. That's not how it works. It has a loading phase. So for the first bottle, and I mean 120 capsule bottle, not the smaller bottles, for the first bottle I recommend taking 2 capsules 3 times a day. Okay. Once you go through that bottle, which you should see results in the first bottle, if you don't continue with it. But I do see 9 out of 10 times people have significant results from this. So for the first bottle, I usually dose 2 capsules 3 times a day, and then I'll go down to 2 capsules 3 times a day, or 2 capsules 3 times a day, and then 1 capsule 3 times a day, and then 1 capsule 2 times a day. That's what I do. Most people don't need to go past 3 bottles of this stuff to get the outcomes, but for some reason, if you don't get results after the first bottle, I wouldn't continue with it. We should see results in the first bottle, but again, 90% of people that I see that take it, they get significant results. So that's the specialized pro-resolving mediator by Metagenics.